Welcome back to our series, Book Reflection and Aerial Journey. In every episode, we pair a thought-provoking exploration of literature with a flight across our planet's stunning landscapes. Today, we dive into Stanley Robinson's The Ministry for the Future, a provocative novel that plunges us into the front lines of the climate emergency. The book resonates with us through its exploration of the defining climate challenges of our time. As we glide over epic landscapes, we feel a deepened call to cherish and protect the natural beauty of our world. Robinson, who is celebrated for his rigorous world-building, imagines a new UN agency, the Ministry for the Future, created to defend those not yet born from the mounting consequences of global warming. In this series premiere, we'll examine how the author's vision of climate policy, human resilience, and intergenerational justice can spark real-world action. As wildfires rage, oceans rise, and policies falter in our real world, this book asks, can humanity marshal the collective will and ingenuity needed to avert planetary collapse? Robinson skillfully weaves together four key themes. 1. The climate crisis is a moral imperative. He frames global warming as a question of justice, where those least responsible suffer first. As we witness communities displaced by rising tides and blistering heat, we see that environmental care is inseparable from human rights. He lays bare how heat waves and floods disproportionately harm the world's most vulnerable, compelling us to view environmental stewardship as a fundamental human right. 2. Geoengineering's promise and peril. From solar radiation management to massive carbon capture arrays, the novel explores the ethics of playing God with Earth's systems. Robinson challenges us to confront more than technical feasibility. He forces us to face the geopolitical power imbalances that follow. 3. Reimagining economics for the planet. Central to this is the carbon coin, a currency backed by the verified removal of CO2. It serves as Robinson's boldest critique of extractive capitalism, urging us to redesign our markets to reward restoration rather than exploitation. 4. Interconnectedness and future generations. By giving voice to everyone from frontline activists to sentient glaciers, Robinson reminds us that our choices ripple across species and centuries. It is a profound call to honor the bond we share with all life and with those yet to be born. At the heart of this global scale is the arc of Mary Murphy. Her journey, from an overwhelmed relief worker to a strategic changemaker, embodies individual courage against systemic collapse. These intimate snapshots ground Robinson's macro-scale ideas in deeply personal stakes. This leads to Robinson's innovative policy proposals, most notably the carbon coin. While it mirrors emerging concepts in green finance, the narrative doesn't shy away from the shadows, revealing how even the most well-intended markets remain susceptible to manipulation and inequity. The novel's power lies in its polyphonic, mosaic narrative. Eschewing the lone hero trope, it unfolds through dozens of perspectives: scientists, bureaucrats, even a sentient glacier. This mirrors our real-world complexity, proving that no single viewpoint can capture the climate crisis in full. Ultimately, Robinson offers moments of visionary hope. Through radical acts of solidarity and unprecedented global alliances, these vignettes spark the essential belief that collective will can still turn the tide. Robinson's fiction is closer to reality than we might think. From the European Union's expanding emissions trading to global carbon adjustments, we are living through his mechanisms in real time. Yet we see both: successes, funding renewables in developing nations, and failures, price volatility, loopholes, and inequitable access. This urgency brings us to the complex intersection of geoengineering and governance. Real-world research into solar radiation management shares Robinson's speculative intensity, yet it raises vital red flags. We must weigh the novel's scenarios against the necessity of scientific caution and democratic oversight, ensuring we don't trade one crisis for another. On the ground, youth-led climate strikes and reforestation cooperatives bring Robinson's belief in local agency to life. Simultaneously, multilateral efforts like the Green Climate Fund aim to steer resources toward vulnerable nations, acting much like the ministry itself. By contrasting these real cases with Robinson's imagined policies, we can better navigate the promise and pitfalls of our global response. Encountering the carbon coin felt like a flash of possibility and a warning. It underscored that while financial innovation can accelerate decarbonization, it must be built on transparency and equity. Ultimately, the novel reminds us that no single solution suffices. We need a tapestry of technological, economic, and cultural shifts woven together by sustained civic engagement. If you enjoyed this reflection, please like and share your thoughts in the comments. We invite you to join us again for our next literary exploration and aerial journey. Thanks for watching. We're honored to have you with us as we explore the stories that shape our world.